a young lady putting her private part online, OnlyFans. I have a message for you today. We live in a time where self-respect is mistaken for attention, and class is confused with exposure. When a woman chooses to display her sacred self for the world to see online, not in heart, not in healing, but in restless display, it's not empowerment. It's desperation wrapped in likes. And what breaks my heart most is when there is a child watching, a little girl who may grow up thinking her worth is in the skin and not in wisdom. A little boy who may grow up thinking women are objects, not queens. Class is not found in what you show. It's how you protect motherhood. It's a calling. Motherhood is a calling, not a costume. Let's raise the bar, not just for ourselves, but for the eyes that are watching us, watching to become their blueprint. When we are social media influencer, our lifestyle and the pattern that we display may leave a footprint. Everybody have this girl private part from phone to phone, from internet to internet, social media to social media. And she came out laughing and saying how much money she make from that explicit video, her private part, just for the money. Listen, you see, when you have a child growing and grooming your child, this is a display that you want your child to come up and remember you with all these. No. Sometimes parents water down parenthood. Live your life through your children's eyes. Live the life that you want your kids to emulate. Yes, others are egging you on and not telling you that you did the wrong thing. When you put these things on the internet, you cannot take them back. And what you put on private, online, OnlyFans, the fans that you thought they were only, they're going to send it to somebody else. And then it will get out of the pack. Girl, that's not classy. That's trashy. You see how far God put your private part? It needs to be covered. It needs to be protected. Not for everyone to see. And everyone laughing and having a field day out of what you post. Your private area. Your private area should not be seen to the world. You did something crazy and you cannot walk it back. No, I see people encouraging you to make movies and to make advertisement. Listen, ladies, value yourself. If you no put on a price on yourself, No one is going to put a price on you. Respect yourself so that others may respect you. If you tomorrow get married, this is what they're going to pin on your husband. The things you did in your past, the things that are on the internet. It cannot erase, it cannot rub out. It's there to scar you. And if you're to get a job somewhere, that is there to scar you as well. I don't know what get in your head. Huh? For the love of money? No. It's a sad picture. I can tell you, it's a sad picture. Very sad one. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, comment. Thank you. Please drop a comment in the comment section. What do you think about this? A young lady have her OnlyFans page. Put her private part on it. Others see your private part and send it around the globe. You understand? Them there's something of it on internet. Thank you for watching. Leave your thought on this video. Please subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Thank you.